Hi, my name is Masara Detush. The topic I chose was information management systems in terms of content management systems and how it applies on everyday business. In this presentation, I'm going to discuss various topics concerning content management, for example, the competitive advantage of using the system, the visibility analysis, and the execution plan. Technology. Content management system is a computer application that allows companies to edit and modify their content, publish, organize, delete, and also have maintenance from a central interface. Such systems of content management provide processes to manage workflow in a collective environment. There are four ways in which implementing a content management system will benefit the law firm. Content management systems are completely customizable, is secure, and it delivers efficiency. In the marketing sphere, content management systems can multitask as a viable promotional tool for establishing a firm's credibility in a specific area of law, exposing a law firm to media visibility, and it will be easier for potential clients to seek you out on the web. The business that I chose was a law firm in the Caribbean island of Dominica called G.D. Burton Chambers. This business opened its doors for service 14 years ago. It now consists of 10 employees, 3 lawyers, 3 accountants, 2 secretaries, and 2 filing clerks. As more and more information is needed to be collected and stored for longer periods, law firms need to have an effective information management in place to become more efficient in an ever-changing business landscape. Currently, this firm uses paper-based collection of data and filing system to keep track of their clients and business operation documentation. Paper-based filing systems are old-fashioned in the modern era, and much paperwork is misplaced or lost. Content management will help sort, create, scan, and locate the needed information at a faster but most accurate pace while reducing costs and loss. This will also allow lawyers to stay connected anywhere to their clients' information. Businesses use information to set standard, strategies, and to achieve company objectives and goals. The information management system will help many different functional aspects and areas within G. Burton Chambers, including improving customer services, easy access to records and information retrievals, collecting, processing and storage information, transaction strategies, and policies. The system will add value to the firm directly in achieving the firm's goals and objectives. The system will analyze the data gathered and process and create necessary reports based on the end user needs. The system will reduce operating costs and improve efficiency and productivity. Time spent locating misplaced or missing documents will decrease. The proposed system will be able to help the firm to locate files within seconds with the use of index search options. The system will help exchange, manage, and keep interconnection between departments within the firm that help productivity. The proposed system will enable the firm to assimilate other new technology and benefits. The firm's vital records will be safe from natural disasters and other things vulnerable to loss when switched to the system. The removal of clutter, including stacked file cabinets and boxes, can create a more inducive environment which can motivate employees to perform at a higher level. Competitive advantage. With this proposed technology, the information management system would increase productivity, sales, profitability, performance, improve decision-making processes, production of the business service to their clientele, and securing market positions among competitors. With this proposed technology, employees will be able to edit documentation with ease. The system will reduce errors, and time to copy information from one document in another will be cut down substantially. The system will provide the end user with whatever their needs are to complete their daily work routine. Filing and accessibility will be made easier and less costly. This system will be lower in cost for the firm due to the lessened maintenance and increased necessities on the employees' computer systems due to the architecture designs. Another advantage with the technology is the ability to share and transfer documents with ease without making physical copies to mail or fax. The document can be made available to anyone with a proper access to the system or can be attached to email and made available within minutes. Work tasks can be completed from any location, which gives the clutter-free environment, giving the employees greater focus on work tasks. Before the software can be implemented, a feasibility analysis will be conducted. This analysis will investigate the problem and the necessary information needed to determine whether or not the proposed system is feasible. We will discuss three types: technical, operational, and financial. Technical. The technical feasibility will examine the practicality of the system, solutions, and availability of the firm's resources. This process will illustrate whether the firm has or can procure the necessary resources in order to achieve the proposed system to solve the problems and concerns faced. The proposed system will be developed as a web-based application. Apache Web Servers provide reliable and flexible service in many platforms, which is necessary for the law firm. These softwares are free and don't require licensing and purchasing. The firm's computer, operating system, and communication infrastructure are already available and can support the proposed system without any disruption. The firm's hardware can accommodate system application specification in terms of processor, memory, network, software browsers, and operating system. The firm will need to increase their bandwidth to accommodate connectivity to the process system in order to have a faster transferring and data processing. The firm's computers and their proposed system needs to be protected from hacking, computer viruses, and other potential securities. Therefore, encryption and other security protocols must be developed to accommodate the proposed system. Operational. The operational feasibility will measure how well this system will work in the firm. This particular case, potential users of the proposed system are already familiar with the web browsing, navigation, handling. Proposed system training to use the system will be easier due to the proficiency in computers the employee has. Administrators will have to be trained in certain procedures. Assigned security level will be given to the individual employees based on their job description in terms of what they can access within the system. The system will provide better efficiency in the maintenance and entering of the personal information, thus lessening human errors. Data redundancy will be less, as well as backup of data will be made available in case of breaches and system shutdown. The programming language for the proposed system will maintain a smooth and flexible system, and the internal network can easily be managed and addressed through the application level. The financial feasibility will evaluate and measure the cost effectiveness of the proposed system for the law firm in order to examine the needed funding to implement the proposed system. Programmers and designers are external to the firm staff and estimate to be paid hourly as consultants. These are numerous ways in which a business like G. Burton Chambers can raise the necessary funds to cover the proposed system. These sources can be in the form of bank, credit union loans, government grants, investors, public donation, and leasing. In this particular case, the law firm has good financial record, but they can apply for a bank loan to raise the capital to develop and implement the system. Banks can provide a large amount of finance needed by personal loans or business loans to acquire and customize. A structured approach should be considered in this process system in order to understand business processes, design system to achieve those processes, revision and monitoring to ensure that requirements are met. Firstly, the firm will have to perform an analysis to identify dependence of the business for the system. The analysis would obtain information from all employees to understand the business objective and functions to address the problems and needs of the firm. The firm must determine the scope of the analysis, collect information, document research, and prepare reports. The information should show the boundaries of the analysis and investigation of the proposed system. You should also highlight the findings of a preliminary investigation, recommendation of the scope, and other feasibility of the proposed system in order to make a project plan. The firm should create and maintain a policy and compliance documentation to ensure quality, enforce standards and guidelines in order to be successful. The firm must ensure that a risk assessment is done so as to identify various impactful situations that can cause loss of confidentiality, integrity, availability, and accessibility of information in order to develop solutions. Surveys, focus group, and testing will be done at the beginning, middle, and end of the process system. The results will provide the firm with essential information in order to adapt the new technology. The execution plan. An effective information management system is not easy to develop and implement. The decision plan and adoption of all new technology applications and major technology, in this case, content management system, must be consistently evaluated throughout the process. Before technology is considered for deployment, it must be evaluated for consistency against best practice. All aspects of the new technology implementation need to be accessed, including but not limited to businesses' benefits to be obtained from the adoption of a new technology, requirements and needs of a new technology, the cost of the change, impact on launch chamber of the new technology, stability of the new technology and its anticipated lifespan, assessment and management of the risk associated with the new technology, impact on the IT infrastructure, informing the staff of new implementation, and educating, training, and developing the staff. Manage and maintaining the technology. A business guideline must be followed to ensure the unwanted problems do not arise when using the proposed system. The firm can develop a policy and procedure document which all employees must follow in order to keep the system safe, as well as the client's information and privacy. The policy will help employees utilize the tools they have available to complete their job duties on a daily basis. The policy will state the requirements and procedure of the appropriate usage of the firm's network, internet, and system. Employees will not store or send confidential information on the internet. The internet is a business tool and only be used to enhance the firm's productivity. A user access log should be provided to be used as a form of detection of who is accessing the system and when. The logs can show if there is any penetration of the security protocol by unauthorized end users from outside networks. A recovery plan must be established in case of equipment or software fails unexpectedly. Therefore, the data backup should be done routinely and on a daily basis in case of failures. The constraints and future plans. In this technology age, technology does not only make business function easier, but at times it can make some more complicated. Implementing technology within a business environment can be challenging and requires other tools to help with changing the environment, which may happen. Introducing a new technology requires strategic planning to take into consideration of factors and challenges that occur. Each aspect will be taken into account to avoid any unwanted drawbacks. Protecting the integrity and the consistency with the data collected and information being accessed is very important. In some cases, unauthorized users may access a company's information resources, resulting in data breaches and other security problems. Technology is always changing, and if a company do not keep up with the evolving changes, they can be left dealing with unwanted problems. The system has numerous areas to plan and design to meet the existing problems, solution to these problems and future situations. Some of the future plans for JD Burton in terms of content management would be the possibility of a private cloud technology to improve efficiency, also the introduction of a video conference meeting to reduce travel and academician expenses. The continuation of training and staff could also be done to keep employees updated as information and new technology arises. And in conclusion, technology is one of the most crucial factors for business succession. We live in a world surrounded by computers and technology. It is undeniable that we rely on these technological devices to complete and aid in our daily lives. However, it is not only a fact to be considered. A balance needed between technology and business strategies in order to achieve business goals and objectives. The feasibility analysis will indicate whether or not a business can implement the process project. In this particular case, an information management system will provide a wide range of advantages if implemented. If implemented, guidelines must be followed to avoid negative scenarios from occurring, to better protect the firm and the entities, and to reduce risk towards the system. However, the first step to business innovation is to identify and understand the proposed technology and to obtain the best result they need from it in order to make a decision. Thank you.